Take one. Right, something a little different today. A Russian flick knife. A friend of mine brought back from Russia. In a little handy case you can fit on your belt. It's a fairly big knife. Fairly nicely made. The scales, I don't know whether they're bone or plastic. I'd try it with a red hot needle if it was mine, but it's not mine, so I just have to wonder about them. Now, if you turn it over, you can see up here there's a little lever, that's the safety lever. Forward, you can't operate the button. Back, you can operate it. It's a side opener, and it opens with a real positive flick. Blade's not bad, seems to hold a fairly good edge, and as you can see it locks into place. I say it came from Russia, but I'm not sure. Could be Chinese, but it's well made and a handy little thing. Press the button there to close it. Once again, flick and she's open. I don't know what he paid for it, but all in all quite a nice little knife.